Hello guys, in today's video tutorial I'll walk you through on how to make a group call on WhatsApp. To do that, open the WhatsApp app on your device, locate and tap on the group you want to make a call on. You can search for the group. You can also scroll through and find the group. Once in the group conversation, at the top right corner of the screen you will find two buttons, a camera icon and a phone icon. You tap the camera icon to make video calls, while you tap the phone icon to make an audio call. While on call, you have the option to mute the call by tapping on the microphone button. You can also put the call on speaker, and you can change the call to a video call by tapping the camera icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you are satisfied and done with your call, you tap the red button below to end the call. That's it guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.